Every adult uses a knife of some sort, whether you're cooking, hunting, fishing, or working. Therefore, pretty much every adult could use the Pocketknife Sharpener, the hottest selling handheld knife sharpener in America. Made in Prudentville, Michigan, these sharpeners take little to no steel off your blade and deliver razor-sharp results. The Pocketknife Sharpener is great for fillet knives, kitchen knives, pocket knives, everyday work tools, and more. A dull blade's actually more dangerous than one that's sharp. Stay safe with the Pocketknife Sharpener. See demonstrations or order online, blocksharpener.net. Lifetime guarantee and free shipping within 24 hours.
Kershaw knife, half serrated. Peel the teeth before I do that. Watch this. I'm the only sharpener that really works on serrated. I've done every style possible. It will not hurt a serrated knife. When you roast steak knives, bread knives, electrics in the middle, it vibrates it, chatters through the teeth, top to bottom. It does not round the teeth down at all. Puts it right through the entire tooth, top to bottom. See how sharp the teeth got. That work?
No.
I'll show you on the front part now. On the front part, we made these a spring. You squeeze it tight, bring the back of the blade up. The rod will adjust to your edge so you won't lose what you got, and you can only get sharper when you draw through. Good on filleting knives, hunting knives, pocket knives, kitchen knives. They will adjust to any edge, any angle. I'll show you on yours next. Yeah. Hit them on a piece of leather when you're done. The rough side of your leather belt will work great.
Your window glass works pretty good too.
Window glass too, yeah. Show you.
So they clear the goods.
Who's that, Gerber?
No, it's Kershaw.
That's Kershaw? Okay. Oh yeah, it is. Squeeze them tight, draw through. That's an oldie there. See, our rods will adjust to any edge because they pick up on the original edges, takes the guesswork out. Feel that, huh? I can get it more, I think.
It doesn't stay. It doesn't hold an edge anymore.
It'll hold that edge though for a while because you're keeping the original bevels now. I'm going to do a quick crisscross. I think your edges are off a little bit.
I'm sure they are.
That's okay.
They've been heated up on a belt.
Oh, they ain't good.
Yeah.
It takes the temper out of the knife.
Right.
I'm doing this crisscross so I can get it back in a 22 exactly. And then bring the back up. That should make it sharper.
So my hand goes all the way through.
I can feel it now. Oh yeah, big difference. If the bevels are off just a tiny bit, I just do a quick figure X and that'll get you right back on track. See if that'll shave your arm now.
But somebody says, shit, that's not a gun. Look out. 92% of your lifetime.
Another Kershaw knife, and you can see it is very wore down. Looking at the scalps. Watch this. Anything serrated right in the middle. This gets it to vibrate, chatters through the teeth, top to bottom, will not eat the teeth down.
So one of the pegs you let
one peg off the. Yep. So that's why it vibrates. Look at that. Feel sharper?
Yeah. Very sharp.
Now watch this front jump up. The front, these rods squeeze back so they follow your edge. They don't tear into it. They put the original bevel back on a blade. When you buy these nice Kershaws, you want to keep that original edge. I'm also using these on hunting knives. I'm using them on kitchen knives. I use them on garden tools.
How much are they?
I do them 20 bucks each, 2 for 30. See that? Okay. Feel how sharp I got her there? Watch, I'm going to show you the next step. Not bad, huh?
Yeah.
Watch this. Your leather belt, use the rough side, that's all you need. Just hit it across. The bevel's set to where it needs to be. You ain't gonna get no sharper. Feel that now. That leather work. Anyway, I do them 20 each, 2 for 30. They're lifetime guaranteed, made here in America. See that? Kershaw knife. Made by, what was that? I can't read that.
Snap-on.
Snap-on.
That was made for them by somebody. Sure.
Squeeze it in there tight, draw through. Block sharpener picks up on the original edge. It don't tear the steel off. Works the original bevel back in the knife. You got a good blade, you won't devalue it. They're quick, they're simple, anyone can do it. Use your leather belt when you're done, the rough side, that polishes. Just push the blade along. Bring it the other way. And tell us what you think.
Nice.
Get it sharp?
Oh yeah. How much are they?
I'm dropping them down today.